Tripcatcher allows you to seamlessly publish your mileage expenses through to Receipt Bank. To create the connection, unfortunately, you do have to do this via the online computer application as opposed to the mobile application. So all you need to do is log on to Tripcatcher on a computer using your login credentials, navigate to the settings page and find the Connect to Receipt Bank button and follow the 3 simple steps that are given to you. Unfortunately, we do not hold your login details, or we don't usually tend to, so this is something you would normally have to do yourself. So as you can see on the screen, this is Tripcatcher on the mobile device. Tripcatcher's GPS feature allows you to track your mileage from A to B remotely, where you can later create an expense claim. So if you click the Start GPS Tracking button as you get in the car, drive your miles, just remember to click Stop at the end, and using Google Maps it will track the distance you've travelled and create an expense claim for you to publish through to Receipt Bank. Similarly, if instead you would like to enter it manually, so for this example that's what I'm going to do, you'd enter the from, so I'm going to travel from the office, where you're travelling to, so let's say Churchill Car Park in Brighton. You'd enter the reason for your trip, so I'm going to say networking event. So I travelled by car, it automatically works out the distance for me here. I'm going to select a return trip, and I went with 2 of my colleagues. So it's pretty easy and intuitive to fill out. It's relatively straightforward. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click the Save button in the top right hand corner, and it will publish it through to Tripcatcher for you. So now the only thing you now need to do is log onto your computer, sign into Tripcatcher, navigate to the expense claim option and select the Publish to Receipt Bank button. This will then push it through to Receipt Bank and on to the next step in recording your mileage expenses.